only one who know me start nothing. Me love war, you know. Tell you the God truth, you know. I just circumstance what me have to tie my belly for whole thing. You see if me know say no jail and no prisoner there. Jesus God. You try not start nothing with me now. Me only want to know a glad I push the fire and cause a blood clot problem.
Hey, the not not easy, you know. For a man we are 60, the boss flex up, the boss can move, man. Peanut Dread, a Kung Fu Dread. My boss new name that. Anyways, we have a nice little lineup tonight. Peanut Dread go dark and then he come back into the light. Him aggressive and then calm, collective, and I spit some conscious lyrics, if you want to call it that. Let's jump into it.
Is it enough, you know? We can't fool hurt, you know, Natty. About jealousy and greed and wicked human being cruel, you know. You don't know how this image try overthrow nature. A challenge nature, you know. For overthrow nature, you know. For make it look like a demon on nature. After nature give you knowledge for process things from the earth to we comfort. You can't show me nothing when you come from the earth and the earth no collect. Yeah? So watch what human being do. I show off on nature. Say nature in official with you. That beach. That's why nature only send we have for a short time and take back where us, you know. Yes!
Nature what? Send we have for a short time and take we back. Boy, life is a way. So while you're above 6 feet or above ground, live good, do good, and yeah, enjoy life. Moving forward.
When you suffer, nobody not see you. No. Anytime you say you are suffer and sick, nobody not see you. Dead, then when you're dead.
I'm not supposed to be laughing, but there's truth to it. You ever see some old people who they in church for years and then they're sick and church members come visit them probably first week, and if they're sick for like 6 months, the longer they're sick, less people come see them. I don't know if that related, but I find it strange and weird. I've seen it over and over. Not onto something else, so we are move forward.
If you gamble and come around me not too like you know. Yeah. My spirit no fit in with them type people. Yeah, boy. Then thief, no blood clot and bad mind. No, me I tell you.
True, you know, because people who gamble, it's not a guaranteed income. So, if you're doing that full time, where you gonna get money if you gamble from? Yeah, man. Yo, a few people them who me know have gamble habit. They borrow a lot. And the ones that when you borrow a lot, then thief a lot. See, nothing I tell no lie. We are move forward.
Me no sick, me no blind, me no crippled. Okay? So when people are beg, is when them blind, you're supposed to give sympathy. Right? You're not sick, you're not blind, you're not crippled, nothing no do you. How you mean you walk around and lean upon other people? What happened to you? Hold on. You can't take up people around you where come to look money. Eh? And when you want money, and all him a do, and money him after. He not really come to build you know. And come to help you to make you have money then. Right? Ask Claude. He make you look like you no want no money, brother. So anytime you see them in a desperation and a suffer, you see, do it not make sense about these people. Because all him a come to do to get help. Him not come to help you. And if you ever did it with him and believe you ain't come to help, you say.
One thing with the natty, he might dark, he might load, but there's always some truth to what he's saying if you listen. So I hope you guys were listening just now. Careful of who you help and careful who you have around you. Because if nothing wrong with you and you come for help over and over and over again, something is wrong with you. And if you keep on helping people like that who can go out and do something for themselves, something wrong with you too. Think about it. Yes, you should help people, but if you break them bad, guess what they're gonna do? They're gonna continue ask for help until you're in the same position. Anyways, let's move forward.
If you see some woman right now, they come like them to drop picnic tomorrow and then breathe. Eh? In belly out there and body flat. That mean in belly down body. And him flat body down good. And some of them take them belly and them down the man them and make. See take them blood clot got him pile. When you look yeah, him try to swell your you think me now get away. Hold on. My God. Hold on. You think me a chop up. Me now get away now. Right? Me have to say, oh God. No man. Look like you make them breathe you. No, you're not supposed to have them the belly in front of you.
Ladies. We not too want chat about them one because we know say most of my subscribers are mature women, and what happened with mature women when they go up in the age? They gain a little weight and look a weight at the front. But for the young one them, go and go exercise. You young and have got in front of you. Come on, man. Come on. Peanut Dread say your body there front and the belly there back. Ass flat. Oh my gosh. Like somebody poof push a needle in your butt and psh, all the ear gone. Anyways, we move forward.
Remember when you drink rum, you heat up your blood, you know. Make your stiff. You would have push out. One yes.
That's how you stay.
Rum. What? Anyhow the woman drink the rum and you drink it, you know, she will keep up with you. But anyhow you alone go drink it, she warn you, say no, go drink it and come here for me now. Right? Yeah, because cooking up your body, you know.
Yeah.
And make you take long to really fire. So what happened now? Portland them go over there and drink the rum to rascal and back down for a woman around the corner and the man them around the corner hear him and say, give me a little no man. Give me a little no man. The woman I said, so Portland man, me sick, you know man. All Portland man say back she want back him off, right?
Yeah.
So Portland I said, give me see him here.
Give it to me, say
no.
Portland wants some. Even if the lady is sick, so what want Portland want a conk in her head. Leave a sick lady alone, Portland. But when you drink rum for true, man, especially if you drink Henny and go into your woman, that's one of the wonderful thing about living with a woman. You know, like you get access to stuff like that every night if she's willing. Because you can't be like my friend where say, oh, if he married, the woman have to give him every night. No, it's not like that. But the rum is a dangerous thing, man. And if you and she a drink, oh my gosh, if you not get too drunk and somebody not start puke, house tear down. If you alone a drink and she not drink, she a get tear down. But you know the crazy part is women can't take or endure anything, because you and she go rumble all night and as you done your lid on flat burn out and she get up go look about whatever she need to look about. In the morning she get up and look about breakfast, lunch and dinner and you still tired. Women build different, brother. Don't kill yourself on the ranking meat. Anyways, moving forward.
And I rum.
Yeah.
And I mumbo clot rum. The last he put clot real consciousness down and I say, give me a same way. Hey, the woman go on there and give me.
And dose him.
Me bumbo rascal. Jesus God, what a stubborn man. You swear rum though? I want deadly spirit in on that. Jesus God, you know how much man I drive and see two road and take the wrong one. Straight a precipice to blood clot I rum do him, right? Portland, go over there and do the fucking rum and all the woman I say, Portland man, me sick you know man. Portland I say, give me it same way, right? Catch the blood clot virus the ears in the youth.
Yeah.
And come over and come for him woman.
And dose her.
And dose her. And the two of them dead. Eh?
I never did expect the one there to that made a U-turn, a U-haul. A matter of fact, that in my U-turn, it made a turn go up and go back down. Anyways, to end the video, all I'm gonna say is all fun and joke until something like this reach you. So my advice to both male and females, Especially the young people them. Cause most of the old people them sick. Mature people they sick don't live with their husband or their wife or their man or their woman. The young people, you see, when you get into a relationship or you start talk to somebody, it is best both of you go to the clinic, go to the doctor, go to the wherever, and go do what is called a full panel, full STD panel. Because you can't look on somebody, brother, and say, oh, the girl are good or the youth are good. No. And of course, uno go more than likely have sex before uno go do full panel. Use a condom every time before you know your status and his status or her status. Let me just say, make sure you use a condom, and when you decide say you're in a relationship now or if you want to feel the rawness and the sweetness, go get tested full panel. Because you can't look on somebody and say they don't have nothing. And I know only AIDS out there. Okay. We are done it right this up. Thank you for watching. Oh, like the video, share the video, subscribe, click the notification bell, leave a comment. Comment Peanut Dread. Or comment a true Peanut Dread. Stay safe, God bless.